welcome back to another vlog. It's the weekend. I've just woken up. It's 9 a.m. I've got quite a bit of work to do and then I need to run some errands today. This is going to be like a weekend vlog. I'm still in Birmingham. I'm going to be staying in Birmingham this weekend. I've just got a lot of things that I need to do, so I need to get up, tidy up my room and start my day. So yeah. I actually want to try and make some use of this weekend, because usually I don't do anything. Like weekends that I'm in Birmingham, I don't do anything. Like I bed rot, or I go to the gym and then I come home and I just bed rot. So today I want to try and go to the city centre and go to the library maybe and pick up some books if I'm able to. If not, that is getting done tomorrow, 1000%. I want to do some returns. I did an Asos order last week, and I've picked up some work bits that are also is the word interchangeable? But yeah, I've picked up some work bits that I can also wear like casual fits as well. But there's some items in it that I'm just not 100% about, or don't look exactly as I thought it would. So instead of keeping it as I used to do and just like keeping it for a year and wasting my money, I'm gonna return them. There's only 2 pieces that I don't like, and then there's another thing that I've got from TikTok shop that I don't like, which was a blender, like a hand fruit juice blender. Does not work, so I'm returning that. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today or tomorrow, but this morning I'm going to be doing my private work. So I've got a client that wants to do a rear extension, and I'm going to be doing the floor plans for it. So I'm doing existing right now, and then hopefully I can get onto the proposed and be finished by the end of this weekend, so I don't have to keep coming back from work doing more work and just feeling extra drained. But worst case is I will take it into next week and still finish it. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'm gonna try and get as much of it done as possible. I'm gonna stop at 2:30. I'm gonna shower, get ready and go to the library in Central, and then I want to go to a cat cafe. I also brought home some leftover bananas from work, so I do want to maybe make banana bread because I love banana bread. So that's going to be done tomorrow. This is just going to be a quiet weekend with me. Finally staying in my city in Brum because I'm always running back to London to see my friends and family. So I'm actually going to show you the bits that I got from Asos. So yeah, so this is the first thing I got from Asos. It's this double, I don't know if you guys can hear me, let me get my mic. So I got these trousers and it's double waisted. It has a button here. So this is what it looks like. This is one I'll be returning though, but I do really like it. But I think I don't like the way that it sits on my leg, because it's a bit short, and the way that it parachutes out, if it's going to parachute out, I would want it to parachute out and be long. So this is a no, but I think I might exchange it for one that I do like. But I really like this trouser and I like the colour. It's grey and it's got the pinstripes on it, so that's one thing. I'm not really sure if it's going to be a return or exchange. Then this is from Stradivarius from Asos. These are just brown trousers, very cute. I got this in a size 36. It's a bit snug, but I think it's very stretchy as well, so I think it does its job and I really like it. I might even wear it today. Yeah. Then I got the same trousers. This was in a 38 and this fits a lot nicer. And these are from Stradivarius as well. This is it. The size, the length of it is literally perfect. What I'm not too sure about with it is that it's quite high-waisted and I have a bit of a short torso. So with both of these trousers, because they're both the same style, actually like a very light and stretchy material, which I'm really happy about. And with these like maroon wine trousers, I got some bits to go with it. So one is this top. This is so cute. This one was on sale as well. This is from Topshop. Really like it. Then I got, is it pinstripe? This stripy top. This is from Bershka. Yeah, this is really cute and it looks so nice with the trousers. Like, I feel like these colours together just go so well. And then this is the one that I'll be returning. When I ordered it, the contrast colour was going to be white instead of this blue. And I don't like how it looks. Even though I like this stripes top with the blue and the white, I don't like this because I thought it was going to be white. So I'm going to be returning this. But now looking at it, I'm thinking it's a bit cute. But no, it was supposed to be white. The contrast was supposed to be white, not blue. So it's a no from me. But then I just got this fitted top, but in a white. This is in a size small, and the white one I got is in a size extra small, which was a bit dumb. But I love the way that this fits. It literally snatches you in, and it's full length as well, but like cinches you in. That's what I prefer. I prefer like full length tops to crop tops because I don't like my stomach being out. But yeah, those are the bits that I've got. I will be returning those two hopefully today if I can muster the strength and the energy to go to the shop. But yeah, I'm so excited to wear these clothes. I will be wearing these brown trousers today. What time is it? Okay, it's 11:30. It's time for me to get back to my work. I'm gonna get back to my work now. I'm gonna be listening to Alchemized whilst I do my work. If you're into books and you're into romance, oh wait, not a romance, this is not a romance book. If you're into fantasy, this is the book for you. I'm about 3/4 of the way through. This book is dark, but I think so far it's an 8 out of 10 for me. But I'm gonna see what it ends like. But to be honest, I'm scared because of how dark it has been.
The symptoms are delirium. This couldn't be. Helena, make him pace it for me. He's been examined over and over by myself and Mayor and Elaine. There's no pause. It's all
I'm just fixing my hair a little. If we can leave at 3:15, that would be fantastic. It's 2:56 right now, but I have high hopes. But if I leave at 3:30, it's likely that I will get to the library at 4 and it closes at 5. That won't be enough time to explore the library and stuff. So I need to really be quick. I've got some stuff from Asos on Twitter.
When you're doing your haul, Joe's bang, 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 bang.
I'm supposed to have uni days up until 2027. Cancelled my account.
You can't come and do that too.
I actually can. Did you see that TikTok I sent you?
No, I haven't seen this one.
There's this guy.
It's a cute. Oh no, man.
I wish I could just like snap my fingers and have inventions done. But unfortunately I can't do inventions like more AI instead of trying to make women's life easy. So this jacket is from Naked Wardrobe and it actually matches my trousers so well. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs tote bag. Even though it looks literally haggard, it's the only bag that can fit all of my bits inside. This is the perfume I'll be using. It smells sensational. It is quite a heavy spray though, so. It's gonna take 28 minutes to get there. So yeah, let's start our journey. Maybe as long as I'm next to you. What you do, I should let you go. Way too long. How you looking for me in the crowd? Over again, yeah. Whoa, I can't get you off me, love, allegedly. If you know me, I love a Macchiato. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm at my favourite car park in Birmingham. It's not the safest apparently, but I've got a dinger. Nobody's gonna steal my car, inshallah. So it's 4:50. So there's no chance I'm making it to that library. I thought I could do like London and march there, but nah mate, I'm not making that. But I'm still gonna go to the Cat Cafe. How do I get out of the shop? I'm in Selfridges, I think. I hate how loud and busy it is. I'm in Primark now. Forgotten how much anxiety being outside actually gives me. This is awful. It's so packed. This actually feels like an out-of-body experience. This is awful. I don't get paid enough for this. Okay, thank you. So I'm in Bershka. I'm trying on the trousers that I'm returning. This is the size 10 and I've got the size 8, so I don't know. This is it. This is what it looks like on.
Because they're like kind of like nice rise. Yeah. I like them.
Wow guys, Bullring is so much nicer later in the evening. When I came it was madness. This is so much more relaxing. Is Sephora open? I'm in my favourite coffee shop in Birmingham. I got this lamb and meat plaza. I think that's what it's called. I've ordered it before and it's really nice. Now I'm gonna get to editing my last video. We have that uploaded today. Yes. Morning guys, so it is 10 a.m. I'm about to go to the gym and I'm also going to make my return, so I'm going to go to the parcel shop first and then I'm going to go to the gym, and after that I'm going to go to Aldi and do my weekly shop, and then I'm going to come home and do my meal prep, and then I've got to get back to work because I really want to try and finish my work by the end of today. So that's why I'm trying to start my weekend a bit earlier. I didn't start yesterday early, but I wanted to start today a bit earlier. So yeah. Hi guys, so I've had my gym session and I also did some shopping. These are the bits that I got. It's going to be for jollof rice, and then this is going to be for banana cake or banana bread, and I'm going to add walnuts into it because I kind of like the taste of this. My gym session wasn't that great because I had really bad cramps and I was actually contemplating not going to the gym, but I changed my mind last minute. And I'm happy that I went, but my cramps are so bad that I probably put in like 20%. But do you know what? 20% is better than 0%, so I'm still happy that I went. I'm gonna start cooking. I'm probably gonna roast my vegetables for my jollof rice first and then maybe get onto the cake. But yeah, we'll figure it out, shall we? I think whilst that cooks, I'm gonna prep my banana bread. Sometimes it feels like I'll never go happy. Sometimes it feels like it's forever, ever. I'm going high. So I don't have a whisk. The only one I have is from my blender. I've just realised, so yeah. burnt, and it's not actually cooked the whole way through, so I still have to keep it in. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah? Okay guys, we're on our way now to the restaurant. It's a 12-minute drive, so we'll be there soon. And yeah. Okay, so we've made it into the restaurant. We are 30 minutes late. I can't believe we've been seated.
It's easier though.
I know, I thought it was going to be like,
Yeah, 15 minutes, mate. I was going to be like, we can't serve you. Guys, this is the visual menu.
now this is what restaurants need to start doing, because I need to see what I'm getting before I order it. I really like the lamb, the look of lamb. Nothing.
A girl can dream.
A girl can dream. I think so.
Why is it disgusting?
No, because who even asked him? We're about to leave the restaurant. We're like the last people here.
Hey.
We just got some pictures for my cousin, and because it's her birthday today, everyone say happy birthday. But yeah, this restaurant is really nice. The food was a, what do you rate it? Maybe an 8. Yeah, an 8 out of 10. Hi guys, so it's Saturday now, and today I'm going out. We're going to do crazy golf and then we're gonna eat. I'm really craving like Chinese. Also, I went to the library on a Thursday and this is the book I got, Immortal Dark. This is how far I am and I'm really enjoying it so far. It's a bit of a cliche with vampires, but I think like 90% of the characters are black, so I'm happy about that. I also got the second book from the library as well. It needs to be returned in a month, or I can renew it, I believe. So I don't think I can finish this in a month, I'll be honest, with how much other things I've got going on. much I'm gonna show because I'm not gonna be taking my camera, so I'll do a bit of filming on my phone. This is my outfit. This top is from Zara, the trousers are also Zara. I'm not sure what shoes I'm gonna wear. Maybe just my New Balances because my trousers will cover it. Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. Yesterday I went to, it was like giving like a junkyard golf place. It was quite fun. And then I went to a restaurant called Sabai. I think that's what it was called. And the starters were really good, but the main weren't as good. So yeah, they even made my stomach a bit funky afterwards. But yeah, this morning I'm going to the gym. And then I'm gonna do my weekly shop. Hello guys, I don't know if this is a start, middle or end of a vlog, but maybe welcome back to another vlog, or hi again. Today we're going to a shooting range. It's Valentine's Day. But yeah, I'm going out. I think I look quite cute. I think this light is not this light is just wham, it's a lot. But I need to even I look good. I need to clear up some storage. But yeah, we're going to a shooting range today. Again, I don't know where this is going to be in the vlog, but yeah, this is my makeup. I did a bit of eyeshadow. Yes, me. It wasn't eyeshadow actually. I put a bit of bronzer and then I added light concealer. But yeah, and then I think after we go to the shooting place, we're gonna get some food. Yeah, and that's the plan for today. Oh yeah, my outfit. So I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore to my cousin's birthday, like last week or something, and I'm wearing these I think they're low-rise flared jeans, and I just paired that with my Primark pointy heels, and that's my outfit. Yes, I'm basically re-wearing the same outfit from like last week, but don't judge me guys. I'm transitioning my wardrobe into like my adult grown smexy wardrobe, and I need to catch up because I don't really have nice tops to go with my jeans or my capris, and that's what I'm trying to get now. But every time I just end up buying work clothes because I just have a shopping addiction and I just love my work outfits, but I need to be able to like wear both, or like wear my work outfits out but I don't think I can do that because that literally doesn't make sense. I have 20 minutes of memory. This editing is going to be so long because I have like 4 weeks worth of yapping and going out that I need to edit, so it's going to be very long. These are heatless curls. My hair's very, very greasy. So that's why it's like, that's why it's done well, but I feel like it looks greasy, which I don't like. But yeah. So we made it. I don't even know if I'm allowed to show this on YouTube.
No Richard my wrist, okay. Top bill make that money she pay. 500 bill for my meal, okay. No car, don't need gas. I'm so hot of this fashion. 500K my wrist, okay. 5 AM top hill, okay. I'm gay. Niggas switch things, no bits, no cases. Niggas switch states, new name, new faces. No car, don't need gas. I'm so ahead of this fashion.